I made the Ravager, but with paper and cardboard. This is our second Minecraft mob. As the characters in the game itself is a box, so Ravager should also be a box. And these are the nets of the cube and cuboids. And this is the attachment montage of the legs. Enjoy the montage. Make all the remaining parts of the Ravager in the similar manner. When you have made all the parts of the Ravager, you need to cover them with paper, like all of them with paper. And while sun drying, you should assemble the head of the Ravager so that it becomes easy while attachment. As you can see, after sun drying, all the Ravager parts are very hard. Let's see how they are looking after assembling. It looks absolutely good. But I want something. I want the Illager in the top of the Ravager, having his cool axe in the top, swinging his axe like that. But you know what? This guy was too lazy for that. Yes, I made the Illager. Making this Ravager alone would be so easy, but making the Illager took so much time. Please subscribe. Please. I made the Illager in the similar manner I made the Ravager. I used some nets of cardboard, and then later I added these cuboids and cubes, covered them with paper, and now they look pretty nice. I painted the axe at the first because after the axe is attached, painting would be so much harder. Really excited to see how it's looking after painting. This looks so much good. I'm very happy with what I've got till now, but I was missing something. So after detailing the axe and detailing the whole body of the Ravager and Illager, there was still something missing, and that was, of course, the special looks which I have to give the Ravager and the Illager. For the special look, I made some dust and slight particles, and after attachment, this looks absolutely insane. Comment down what you think about this Ravager which I made, and also comment down what should I make next, because I will really make which you will comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.